Good morning everyone, my name is Tejashwini. We are from Geetanjali High School, West Marapalli. Our team, Dhyanand team, saying about electricity through tires by walking. Problems nowadays for generating electricity, we are spending a lots of money. So to reduce it, we can generate electricity by just walking on tires.
Walking on tiles, we can generate electricity through technologies such as piezoelectric tiles, kinetic energy flow tiles, and Pavagen technology. Over to Rishi.
Piezoelectric tiles. The tiles are made up of piezoelectric materials and generate electricity when people walk on them, and it's compressed and it gets charged by walking. Over to Tilis.
Pavagen technology. It is a smart technology that passes through footsteps and electricity, energy and data. This technology was kinetic energy generated by footsteps to power.
There, tiles can generate electricity through Their tiles can generate electrical energy by walking, dancing and jumping. They have an electromechanical mechanism that transforms the footsteps vertical movement into rotating movement. This drives a generator that produces up to 35 watts of power. Over to Tejaswini.
How it works? The weight of
Start. What is Pavagen? The genius of the Pavagen, this is the simplicity. It consists of three components: an electromagnetic generator, a singular composite tile, and people. The tiles create a unique connection to people through power of thermoelectric.
how it works? The weight of
Start.
how it works. The weight of each steps across pavaging, this create a small vertical movement of 5 mm to 10 mm, compressing an electric magnetic generating and creating a rotation movement to produce 2 to 4 joints of guides and uh, clean energy. We use this energy to provide to like LED lights, living wall irregulation and small street function.
Pavagen has two major mechanical components that allow the panel to collect energy: an electromagnetic generator and composite tile. The composite tile material consists of nearly 80% of recycled materials from other machinery, primarily as old tire shreds and rubber. The electromagnetic generator consists of copper coils, superconductive material, a solid electrolyte, magnets, glint, steel, and metallic alloys. Let us discuss how each of this material is created and composed to create technology.
Uses. Pavagen technology can be used in a variety of settings, including smart cities. Pavagen tiles can power street lighting and mobile charging benches. Brand activation. Pavagen can be used to create interactive experiences that engage customers and inspire them to take action. Sporting events. Pavagen can be used to create interactive experiences where spectators can see how their steps impact the environment. Data analytics. Pavagen can provide real-time data analytics for local businesses or councils. Accessibility. Pavagen's goals is to make technology as low cost and accessible to as possible.
Causes. By using the Pavagen tiles provides a unique experiment capable of captivating users and generating electricity. In this technology, people are taking a part of solution. Effects. This helps us to reduce the rate of electricity.
Thank you.